Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for Security Bank Corporation. If you want to access your financial transactions and account information from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for online banking could be the best decision. The process to register for online banking is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for securitybank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option here. Then you'll be directed to the login page of Security Online Banking account. So in order to get started with the registration process, just go and tap onto Enroll now. Now from the pop-up option, choose the type of account you want to register with. So if you go with bank accounts, just tap on it, and if you want to go with the credit card, just tap on it. So if you chose to register with a security card, then you will have to agree to the terms and conditions first by tapping onto this box, then tap on Submit. Then you will land onto the page, go and tap on Submit. Then on this page, you'll have to enter your credit card information like your credit card number and set your date of birth. Once done, go and tap on Submit and follow the prompts. And similarly, if you choose to register with a bank account, then you'll have to just go and tap onto this box in order to agree to the terms and conditions set by the Security Bank Online. Once done, go and tap on Submit. Then you will land onto another page where you have to create your login credentials like your user ID, password, and in order to confirm your new password, retype it in the text field here. Choose a security question for yourself, type the answer in the box. Then in order to confirm your answer, retype your answer in the text field here. Then you'll have to enter your client information like your last name, first name, middle name, a valid email address in the text field, TIN number, mobile number associated with the bank, a phone number. If you acquire any fax number, then put it in the text field here. Now you will have to choose your branch information, so choose your branch. Enter your account number, then provide if you have any nickname in the text field. Now you will be sent a verification code or OTP to your mobile number or your email address, so make your choices. Then enter the CAPTCHA as shown in the image in the text field here. Once you are done filling up the information and details, just go and tap on the Submit button. Now follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for Security Online Banking account. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.